What's up everyone, my name is Alain Martinez and I'm an international wedding and portrait photographer. This channel is a little bit of what makes my life. You can learn photography, cinematography. You can see some of the best venues around the world and visualize how your event could happen there. If you have a family, that should not stop you from traveling and creating amazing memories around the world. And I got you there too. So if you love photography, adventures, family, and life in general, this is the channel for you. So hit that subscribe button, enjoy and share all of our videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.